So go down as much as you can. Okay, stay the moment, let it go. And then up a little. Good. Right now, open leg. Okay, we will go down a little. Okay, we go forwards. Right now, first one is easy. Head up like that. Feel the hip, let go. Okay, so I go this way. Okay, just stay here and rolling your leg. Feel the stretch on your hip and hip. Rolling. Good. And this time stay here. Rolling down, stay. Give it a moment. Let it go. And again. Rolling. 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 Stay there, let it go. Feel the stretch. Take a moment. Right now, head down. Stay. Don't move. Yes. Right now, arms straight to the front. Okay? Try your best. Stay. Yes. Hold there a little longer. Okay? Don't move. I will count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Get up, close your legs, shake it out. Relax. Okay, relax. Okay, and then we will lay down on the floor, okay? Okay, lay down on the floor. And then just stay this position, relax your back completely, okay? So we stay there for a moment, let your back totally relaxed. Feel your breath. In, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Right now, both knee up. Okay? Hold stay. Pulling to your body a little bit more. Feel your back, lower back stretched. Hold that moment. I count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Right now, watch me, okay? We do this, we did it before. Okay? Keep your leg open. We are hip go up, okay? And then the moment you go up, the both heel push forward like second position, please. Ready? 1, and close down. And the second position turn out. Feel the hip, squeeze, and go down. We'll turn in. Okay, we do that. Okay, ready? We call, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn out, turn in. Turn out, turn in. Turn out, turn in. Turn out, turn in. Turn out again. Right now, your heel up, turn out with the heel up, push even more. Up, on that point. Stay, stay. And turn in, drop down. We will do one more time. Go, turn out, up. And turn in, down. Turn out, up. And turn in, down. One more, turn out, up. And turn in, down. Right now, last one, turn out, up. Stay on high railway. Stay there. Push your hip up more. More. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel hip muscle. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop, drop, turn in. Good. Okay, everybody, hold this. Relax a little. And then we rolling like a ball, okay? Go, rolling. Just let it go. Yes, relax. Good. Continue, relax. Very good. And stay. Go down. Thank you. Okay, right now, watch me. Put your leg on. Okay, I go this way, okay? Put your leg up. And then push. Push down your knee. A little more. Push down your knee. Good. Just stay a moment. And change the other side. Leg up. Push down this knee, okay? Knee down. Open as much as you can. Stay. Very good. And straight your knee. Right now, leg up. Just draw a circle. 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 Right now, open to the side. Good. Draw the circle. Circle 1. Circle 2. Small circle. 3. 4. 5. 6. Leg up. And then down. We change the other side. Leg up. Okay, circle. Okay, relax. Beautiful. Right now, leg up. Open to the side. Side circle. 1. 4 times. 2. Again, 3. Again, 4. Right now, leg up. Stay. Right now, we continue go cross, twist. Stay there. Don't move. Your shoulder, both shoulder on the floor. Okay, you don't need to touch it on the floor. If you can, you touch it on the floor. It's good, but don't let not necessary. Just stay there. And then up, go down. And then we do our side twist. Ready? Go to our side. Yes, twist. Both shoulder have to be on the floor. Stay there. Don't move. Let go.